All right, everybody, an underpass is approaching. I'm gonna go under an underpass. So let's see what happens when I do. And here we go. Oh, jeez. All right, everybody, welcome to Photomikes Garage. Today, we're gonna answer a question that's never been asked, and that probably nobody really cares, but I'm still gonna do it anyway. It's just one of those things that I'm kind of curious about, so I thought I'd make a quick little video about it. I don't know, but here it is. So right now I'm driving in Barney the Hellcat 2016 Dodge Charger Hellcat, and this car has many modern features. Many safety items, airbags, ABS brakes. It's got it all, really. And it's got a brain, actually. I mean, it's got a computer that sometimes I think is smarter than me. So for example, the traction control can tell when you're losing control and can correct for that and stop you from embarrassing yourself in crashing the car and so on and so forth. There's many things like that that makes you feel confident that the car knows what it's doing better than I do at times. Now, as you know, I made a previous video, I think about a year ago, where I asked the question, what happens if you press your start-stop button while the car is driving? And I'll put a link below where you can get to see that video. And that was a very interesting question. Of course, I'm not the only one who has made a video about that, but I made my own video to see what the Hellcat would do if you press the button. Now, that's pretty interesting. And the car basically looks out for itself. So this video is a little bit similar to that one, in which I'm going to do something that someone would not normally do while driving, and I'm going to see what happens. Now I'm conducting this test in a safe location across the border in Mexico, which is not a very long drive from Canada at all. So there's no pedestrians, there's no small animals that will get hurt by this test that I'm about to do. And I predict that this test will show that Barney is indeed smarter than the average human, using myself as the average human. And this is a beautiful area of Mexico indeed. We got nice clear roads, lots of room. It's very exciting. We got views on views, as the Stradman would say. We look right, we look left, and we cross. It's time to do the test, and it's very simple. I'm going to drive the car and push the fuel door release button at the same time. All right, so I've noticed that, like I said, Barney's very smart, and when you open the fuel door, which the button is right here on the Hellcat, and it's an electronic switch, you can open the door. And as you can see, it'll only allow you to put in a regular gasoline nozzle. If you try to put anything else in there, the door, this metal door here, will not open. That's intelligent. Okay, so let's close this. And get back in the car. And I'm gonna press the button that opens the fuel door and see if it opens while the car is driving. I know this is silly, but I'm gonna do it because I wanna know. So I picked a safe location. Everything's cool here, so let's see. Underway, and I'm going to press the button. I'm going to press the button. Oh, here we go. Oh. Okay, did you see that? The fuel door opened. I'm extremely disappointed in Barney. The fuel door opened while I was driving, and I pressed the button. Okay, so there you have it. The fuel door will open if you're driving and you press the fuel open button. I'm not sure if this video was worth watching, so just to make it worth your while, I'm going to add some exhaust revving to the end of the video. Forgot you. Oh. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time.